Welcome family, this is the Velvet Locks with another wonderful detox video for you today. Now we are on a roll with cucumbers, okay? Or should I say I am on a roll with cucumbers because I know exactly how well cucumbers is going to flatten those bellies, okay? So if you want to get ready for the summer, this is where you should start on your detox tea, all right? Now today we're going to be making a flat belly smoothie made with, of course, our cucumbers, all right? So we're going to start off with one whole cucumber, preferably organic if you have it. If not, that's okay. We'll still work with the cucumber. If it's not organic, we're going to have to de-skin all of the peel, okay? Now, another ingredient you're going to need is a lime. Now, you could either use a lemon or a lime. Every time I use lemons, you guys always ask if it's okay to use limes. So you know what? We're going to be using limes today. All right, so in this ingredient, all you're going to need is a half a lime, all right? And you're going to need some mint leaves. Just a few sprigs is okay for the recipe. So you just take a few mint leaves. And lastly, our ginger, okay? This is already skinned and ready. It's about 1 inch and change, but possibly 1 inch long, okay? So that's all you're gonna need. These 4 wonderful ingredients for this wonderful flat tummy tea. And I'm telling you, if you want to shed the belly weight, this is how you're gonna do it, all right? And it's gonna work really fast. So I'm gonna start off by just cutting the ends of my cucumbers. Another thing we're going to be using today is our NutriBullet. So if you got a blender or a NutriBullet or some sort of processor, that's what we're going to be using, okay? We're not juicing it today, we're going to be blending it. So we're going to start off by slicing our cucumbers. For this, we're going to keep the peel on, okay? Looks like a pickle. Wow. Ta-ha. All right. So we're going to throw that in our cup. Just so that we get all of this mashed down, we're just going to blend this up real quick so I can fit the rest of the stuff in there. Alright you guys, so you just want to blend that down a little bit just to get the juices going inside this drink. Alright, now you're also going to be blending your limes or lemons, whichever one you choose. So we're going to just pre-cut this. And we're going to put the whole half a piece of lime in there. Not just the juice, but the whole half a lime. So you're going to pop that in your cup. Okay. We're also going to throw in our ginger. And lastly, we're going to throw in our sprigs of mint leaves. And to top it off, we're going to add in a half a cup of water, okay? Spring water, fresh water, filtered water, okay? And now we're going to blend everything together. So we're going to pour this in our favorite cup. And let me get my trusty straw and let's check this drink out right now. Alright you guys, so this is really good. It's very limey and very satisfying. So definitely put at least a half a cup of water in there. You can add more if you choose to thin it out a little bit. But you drink this in the morning. You can use this as a breakfast replacement. But this is delicious and it's going to get you going. Also, don't forget to drink plenty of water throughout the day. So drink this first thing in the morning. Use this as a breakfast smoothie. But I tell you, this is going to have you going back and forth. Then it's full of fiber because you got the skin of the lime, the skin of the cucumber. You have that in here as well. The mint leaves is going to help you with digestion. I mean, wonderful smoothie right here. So try this smoothie, you guys. Leave your comments down below. Let me know how you like it. and let me know what other wonderful fat burning smoothies that you want me to present to you, okay? Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe down below, thumbs up this video, and also come back again and join me on the next tea time.
Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So I'll see you in the next video.